Welcome back to Nadex Housekeeping and Travel Tips channel. Today's topic is Coinstar. Since I started working as a room attendant, I get coins constantly. Most guests leave bills for tips, and some of them leave coins besides bills after checking out. I can tell those guests just want to get rid of coins and want to give us extra tips. I didn't have a problem because the self-cash register accepted a lot of coins before. However, many places stopped accepting coins recently. Instead of stopping accepting coins, they introduced Coinstar. I'm gonna explain about Coinstar with some key points by showing my experience of using it. Here's the actual video that I used Coinstar. The first point is that you can change coins to bills. If you want cash, go ahead to select Coin to Cash with over 10% service fee deduction. If you don't want any deduction, here's the second point. Change to the voucher. You can change to a no-fee eGift card that you can keep all coins at the same value. A lot of food services such as DoorDash, Domino's, IHOP, Starbucks, or retail shops, hotel, airline, movie theater, there are so many selections you can choose from. I chose an Amazon eGift voucher. Let's see. Here is a voucher, and you can see how much total. Go online and enter the code number on your voucher. Then you can see the same amount in your account. The type of the eGift voucher is very different depending on the location. So please click the Find a Kiosk button on the Coinstar website. Read through and compare the kiosk details in your area. I think most of you will change to cash or eGift voucher. But there are more selections that you can change to. This is the last point. If you want to contribute for charity donations, there are several choices such as Red Cross, UNICEF, and World Wildlife Fund. If you want to have cryptocurrencies, they also have several choices such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. For charity donations and cryptocurrencies, they may have service in your area, so please go to the website and look at the kiosk details before you go. Once again, you can change your coins to bills with service fee deduction, a variety of no-fee eGift vouchers, charity donations, and cryptocurrencies. If you know a different way that you can use a lot of coins, please let me know by writing in the comment box. In my next video, I'm planning to talk about the mobile folding card that is very compact and helps my work every day. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you soon.